bwanyuma y'abanyakibiine kya National Unity Platform okumara kushoza enkararo zaabo boona abaragikwatira ebendera omu kwesimbaho omu karura karikwija omu myanya etari emwe n'emwe erimu ba kansara ba meya hamwe n'endiijo erizooba omu rukungano rw'abanyamakuru orubashitamisa aha kitebe kyabo bayitombiitire ekitongore eky'ebyobururu ahabw'okubatamba ikono ekizibu kigira aba NUP okuruga omu bicweka by'ihanga bitari bimwe na bimwe okurema kwehandikisa ekibarikugira ngu n'amaremesa g'ekitongore ky'ebyobururu. Muhandiki mukuru omu kibiine kya National Unity Platform David Lewis Rubongoya okuteekaho orukungana orw'abanyamakuru okubaasa kwanjura abanya-Uganda obwekigendereire okworeka abanya-Uganda niki ekirikugyenda omu maisho
okukiikirira oba okukulembera districts ez'enjawulo bayita LC5 chairpersons mu districts ez'enjawulo. Bano aba NRM mu districts ez'enjawulo balemesezza abantu baffe okwewandiisa ne bavaayo ne bacacanca mu bo bali unopposed. Kumbe bekobaanye n'abakulira akakiiko k'ebyokulonda ne balemesa abantu baffe okwewandiisa so nga balina ebisaanyizo byonna ebyetaagisa nga baali babiwaddeyo.
Mu bigambo bye David Rubongoya yayoereko kwetombiitwa habw'ekitongole ky'ebyobururu ngu tikyamazima.
Akakiiko k'ebyokulonda twagala kuvumirira ebyo bikatandise okukola kubanga bw'obanga olemesezza kandidate waffe okwewandiisa oba ogezaako okudisenfranchisinga bannayuganda bannansi mu disitulikiti ezimu babadde bagamba nti wano tewalina kubeerawo wa NUP. Kikyemutegeeza mu bantu mwe abakakiiko k'ebyokulonda mwami byabakama n'abalala b'okulembera nabo akakiiko ako.
Ogu ashobora kuba arikuza kutwara okwetombiitwa kwabo omu kakiiko aka okureeba ngu bagarukwamu kyaba kitabiireho babone kuza omu kooti.
Tugenda kukola complaint oba tugenda kwekubira enduulu mu kakiiko ako kennyini kubanga amateeka gagamba nti olina okusooka no complaining eri akakiiko k'ebyokulonda nga tonagenda mu kooti n'ebirala byonna bye tusobola okuzzaako ku nsonga eno.
Rubongoya najja ngu birina okwerarikirira ng'omuze ogu nigubaasa kugumizamu aha ntebe ezindi nk'ez'abanyeshengyero.
To put an end to this nonsense, we cannot be going for an election and the Electoral Commission is behaving like criminals. Because these people are here, they have showed you their requirements. Some of them went on the first day. The EC kept telling them the system is down. So if the system is down, how is that a problem of a candidate? Bwe mugamba nti system tekola eri wansi kakati ne mugamba muntu a system leero tekola komawo enkya najja enkya n'omugamba obudde buweddeyo kikyoba otegeeza.
Abari kugamba kuba balemesibwe kwehandikisa biine bye bashobola.
I submitted in all the required information which the Electoral Commission told us to table on the day of nomination. I started the process on Thursday, 4th, and I submitted in over 500 names out of the 400 names which they wanted. But out of the 500 names, they told me the process, the network is down. So come tomorrow on Friday, 5th, so that we finish the verification of the names. After giving them those names, they told me only 189 names are valid.
For my case, the returning officer told me initially that if I don't nominate you, don't cry from here. So they started entering all the signatures I'd brought. They used to tell me, bring 21, bring more this for this sub-county. When I electrified everything, she claimed the time is getting over. She put me on pressure. She started bringing different tactics, delaying tactics.
Zenaganye okwogera ne bannamawulire era Secretary General akimanyi namugamba sijja kwogera na bannamawulire okujjako nga maze kwogera naawe. Era kwe kwogera kwange kuno badde bakubasemba bule nabogera Jumba Crash tebalina na kifaananyi kye tebalina ddoboozi lye naye bayogedde n'okwogera nti ne risiti yanema okusasula risiti njirina nabaagala ogikapitaringa. If you want to capture it, I have it here.
Erizooba ekitongole ky'ebyokutoorana kyatandika kuhamya barikwenda kwesimba aha rurengo rwa bameeya ba division kandi ehurira egi neeza kukoma 2/10 okwezi oku. Amakuru aga gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano aha bwa Tayari West omuri Kampala.